The age-old question of which is best, shower or bath. This really comes down to personal preference, but there are benefits to both in terms of saving energy and how they affect our well-being. Be sure to let us know which team you're on. Baths and showers have their own range of health and well-being benefits. From the shower steam opening up skin pores for cleansing, to the relaxation element of baths helping ease achy muscles and joints. Depending how long of a shower you take or how deep a bath you prefer can impact water efficiency and cost. According to research, showers are typically more efficient. However, there are a few arguments for this. Sometimes whether you choose a bath or shower simply comes down to your bathroom size and what you can fit in. We have a detailed blog post over on bathshack.com. Click the first link in the description to check it out and find out more about bath versus shower. And be sure to subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube.